The world's biodiversity is under serious threat, and numerous species are now on the brink of extinction due to human activities, habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade. Among these, the Vaquita, a small species of porpoise native to the northern part of the Gulf of California, is critically endangered. With fewer than 10 individuals left in the wild, it is the most endangered marine mammal on Earth. Poaching and illegal fishing practices have decimated their numbers, as these practices lead to bycatch, where vaquitas get trapped in fishing nets, unable to escape. Similarly, the Javan rhinoceros, once widespread across Southeast Asia, is now restricted to just a small area in Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National Park. With only about 70 individuals left, these rhinos are highly vulnerable to disease outbreaks or natural disasters such as tsunamis, which could wipe out the entire population in one catastrophic event. They suffer from habitat loss and poaching for their horns, which are valued in illegal markets for traditional medicine. Another species facing extinction is the Amur leopard, native to the Russian Far East and northeastern China. With a population of fewer than 100, the Amur leopard has been pushed to the edge by deforestation, poaching, and a shrinking prey base. This rare leopard's striking coat has made it a target for illegal poaching, while human encroachment on its natural habitat has drastically reduced the areas where it can live and hunt. In the forests of Madagascar, the critically endangered northern sportive lemur has seen its population drop to fewer than 50 individuals due to extensive deforestation. These primates depend on Madagascar's unique forest ecosystems, but the rapid clearing of land for agriculture and logging has destroyed most of their natural habitat. Conservation efforts are difficult in such a fragile ecosystem, and with so few left in the wild, the northern sportive lemur is teetering on the edge of extinction. Over in Southeast Asia, the Sumatran orangutan is fighting a similar battle. As palm oil plantations expand and forests are cleared at alarming rates, this critically endangered species has seen a significant decline in population. With only around 14,000 left in the wild, Sumatran orangutans are losing their habitat rapidly. Poaching and illegal pet trade add to their challenges, with many young orangutans being taken from the wild and sold in markets. This further disrupts the population, making it difficult for them to recover. In Africa, the pangolin has become the most trafficked mammal in the world, largely due to illegal hunting for its scales, which are highly prized in traditional medicine, particularly in parts of Asia. The 8 species of pangolin, 4 in Africa and 4 in Asia, are all under threat from poaching and habitat destruction. Despite recent efforts to curb illegal trade, their numbers continue to dwindle, making them one of the most vulnerable species on the planet. The eastern lowland gorilla, also known as Grauer's gorilla, has suffered from poaching and habitat loss in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The species has lost nearly 80% of its population in recent decades, with only around 4,000 individuals remaining. Civil unrest in the region complicates conservation efforts, as it enables illegal hunting and disrupts initiatives aimed at protecting these majestic primates and their forest habitats. The South China tiger is functionally extinct in the wild, with the last confirmed sighting dating back decades. A small number exist in captivity, but efforts to reintroduce them into the wild face major challenges, including the destruction of their natural habitat and a lack of prey. Although conservationists are working to breed these tigers in captivity, the chances of seeing this majestic creature return to its native habitat are increasingly slim. The Kakapo, a large flightless parrot native to New Zealand, has been brought to the brink of extinction by introduced predators like rats and cats, which prey on their eggs and young. Once widespread across New Zealand, only about 200 kakapos are left today, all of which are closely monitored and managed by conservationists. Despite these efforts, the species' low reproduction rate and genetic bottleneck present ongoing challenges to its survival. Finally, the hawksbill sea turtle is critically endangered, with its population having declined by more than 80% over the past century. These turtles are hunted for their beautiful shells, which are used to make jewelry and ornaments, while coastal development and climate change continue to threaten their nesting sites. Pollution and fishing nets also pose a significant danger to them, with many turtles getting entangled and dying as a result.